Who doesn't love taco night? We're out at the grill and we're gonna show you how to do perfect taco night. The right rub, the right cut, and cut the right way. Let's get it started. So whether you call it Arrachera, Carne Asada, taco night, we're gonna show you the perfect seasoning and the perfect cut of beef. Let's start with the rub. These ingredients make a perfect taco night at our house. And so what I'll do is put these ingredients in a rub and have them on hand. What we've got is salt, brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, red pepper flakes, Mexican oregano if you can find it, or just use regular oregano, ancho chili pepper, and cumin. This is the perfect combo for your secret taco night. Just combine the spices in a container. Once that's in the container, stir it up, mix it up real well, and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, on to the beef. This is a skirt steak, also known as arrachera, and it's perfectly suited for grilling tacos. Notice the large amount of marbling in the grain direction. Carne asada literally means grilled meat. Well, this is the cut most traditionally used. To get things started, I'm gonna cut this with the grain in about 3-inch wide pieces. Oftentimes it's marinated, especially the lower quality stuff. Well, because this is certified Angus beef, we don't need a marinade to tenderize. We're going to just bring out this great flavor with a great rub. So we'll sprinkle this generously on one side. So I'll spread these out and get the rub all over the one side. Then we'll flip them and get the rub on the other side. Let's keep these in the refrigerator for about an hour while we fire up the grill. Now, I'm a fan of charcoal because I just love the flavor of steaks coming out of a charcoal grill. So I'm getting briquettes going in a chimney starter and plan to get the grill set to direct high heat cooking. Once the coals start to get ash on the top, then I'll dump them into my grill and set them evenly on one side to create a hot zone. Now we'll put the grill grate back in and close the lid. If you're working with a gas grill, hey, no judgment here, just get it rocking to medium-high heat. Once our grill's good and hot, we'll put our skirt steaks on right over the high heat. You'll love the flavor developed from getting a good char on each side. They won't take long to cook, especially if you like medium rare or medium. Just a couple minutes over high heat per side. So I've got good sear on one side. I'm gonna get them flipped so I can get another char on the other side. Some may take longer than others, so find that heat zone and get the good sear developed. So pull them off as they get done and give them time to rest. And since I'm doing tacos, I'm gonna throw the small tortillas directly on the grate. I'm using flour tortilla as well because my family loves the flour tortillas, but you can also use corn tortillas, doesn't matter. For flour, look for that bubble up on the tortilla and good grill marks. Once all the skirt steaks are cooked, make sure to let them rest for at least 5 minutes before we start slicing these. Okay, we're ready to slice, and this technique is super important. We see the skirt steak cut the wrong way more than any other cut. Remember that grain direction? Cut each piece across that grain direction to make the fibers as short as possible. This makes for a much more tender bite. With the cut pieces on the board, I like to sprinkle more rub on them and mix them up with any juices that may have come onto the board, and we'll divvy up for tacos. I keep it simple, generous with the steak, a little salsa verde, or whatever hot sauce you like. Some pickled red onions, fresh cilantro. But this is your steak. Put on whatever you like. So let's see how we did. Oh, looks good. With the right cut the right way, super tender. I can taste the charcoal flavor. For me, grilling is all about being outside, and having the grill flavor is fantastic on this cut. That rub comes through. This is a winning combination for taco night. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time out in the test kitchen.